What up, guys? My name is JAIRO. And today we're gonna do a microwave pizza. The ingredients, guys, are salt with species, are so tasty, flour, yeast, oil, milk, cheese, and pepperoni. But you can take the topping that you like, that you want. I'm going to use pepperoni, tomato sauce, and a bowl and spoon. Okay, guys, to do the dough of the pizza, we need 4 tablespoons of flour, 1 little tablespoon of yeast, a little tablespoon of oil, check, salt with species or normal salt, 4 tablespoons of milk,
le spione, te ione, le gingiu, le te, e le motta, le opa, le shishu, le te, ini fare faroa, le bisculera, la ra 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 ra.
JAIRO is the best. Now we have our dough. Now we put the tomato sauce. This is all that you want. The cheese. The cheese are of your preference. I love the cheese. Now the pepperoni. Now 2 minutes on the microwave. And this is the result. Thanks for watching my video, subscribe and give a comment.